Family, what's going on? I hope y'all are having a blessed and wonderful evening, day, night, morning, wherever time of day it is, wherever you're from. It's your boy Hook, and welcome to 316 Fishing. And I want to do a quick review or a quick DIY of this quick video on my DIY transducer pole. Okay, so what you have here is 1.25" PVC pipe. And what you'll do is you'll take an inch PVC pipe and it fits right in there pretty snug. Not a lot of gap at all. And you'll want that because you don't want a whole lot of movement. Put a connector here for the inch. And of course, I put screws in mine. I'm probably take those out, but put the screws in them. That's for that reinsurance. Pardon the mess, y'all. I'm working on my kayak. I took my John boat apart to work on my kayak. So pardon the mess. But these clamps right here. Now, these things here, I had to kind of take the bracket to, or my mount to Home Depot to see what fits. You might want to do that. These are great because they allow you to snug it down as tight as possible. But I might have to cut these. And so since I got my boat torn apart, I'm going to cut them because it's just chewing up. It gets kind of cumbersome. It's just a mess. Sometimes when I'm trying to get it deployed, but you're so excited to go fishing, you really don't be thinking about stuff like that until you're out in the water and it starts frustrating you. But this mount I got it from my local marina. It's very strong, very sturdy mount. I brought 4 of them because they are the truth. And screwed it down to the 2x4 here and put little brackets on the side. These are very important too, because before that, it was wobbling side to side, even though I got screws in it. So you'll need some little braces here. But this is a 12-foot John boat, of course. And to clear the lip, I had to do this with the 2x4. And let's get it a little more sturdier. And it doesn't normally, it touches sometimes right here, but it doesn't cause any problems. Like I said, it's a real sturdy mount, but you can loosen it up, like I say here, and just kind of get it out the way quick. It's real quick. And I sometimes going spot to spot. I just do it just like that and ride to the next spot, drop it down in the water, tighten up, and voila, I'm back to fishing, back in the game. So it's very, very, very functional for what I need it for. I haven't measured anything, so sorry I can't give you any measurements. I just cut, trim, cut, trim. Yeah, that works. That's how I do it. So even the deck I built for this boat, which I'm going to do a full review of, by the way, I just kept cutting and trimming till I got it right. But here also, let me tell you this. Make sure on this 1-inch PVC pipe that when your transducer is on, make sure you clear the water level. You're down far enough in the water column. But also make sure you clear the bottom of your boat so when you're fanning your transducer around, it won't get any interference with that. So just make sure you go far enough down that you can clear the bottom of your boat, and you'll be fine. Just real simple, man. It's just some better looking ones on YouTube. There's some more neater ones. I'm quite sure, but this is very functional for me. It worked. Like I said, but cut these off whenever you get a chance because they will get on your nerves if you decide to go this route. So that's coming next. Then I'm going to do a full review of the boat when I put it back together, when I take it off my kayak. But I'm going to do a full review of my kayak as well. I put the Livescope on my kayak and it was awesome. Went fishing. I'm going to put a video up on that. But anyway, stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. Like, share, tell your mama and uncle them, hey. And whatever you do, family, stay up, stay motivated in the times of trouble, time that we're going through right now. I know it's hard out here. But listen, whatever you do, don't give up. Just don't give up. I'm your boy, Stu, and I'm out. Pew.